Okay, write the first term, last term, and the number of terms. Does not actually ask you to do the sum. How do I find the number of terms? Okay, so you don't just look at the top number and say 10, because it didn't start counting at 1. So you got to do a little math here. 10 minus 3 is 7 plus 1, right? It's always one more than that difference. That's the number of terms, right? So the n is 10 minus, I got to let it catch up to me here. 10 minus 3 plus 1, which is 8. Okay, how do I find the first term? Plug in what? Okay, so you plug in 3 here, and you're going to get 20 minus 3 times 3, which is 11. Now here's the thing. A lot of times we refer in the formulas, we say A1, but it's not really A1. It's not what we got by plugging in n equals 1. It's actually kind of A3. But for us, sometimes we just think of it like A1 in quotation marks. It is the first term. Whether you plugged in 1 or 3 or whatever was that lower limit, it's the first term. So that's the 11. And how do I find the last term? Right. I plug in the 10 right there. Right. So that would be, I'll just call it AN. That was wrong. Edit, undo, edit, undo. Right, it's the last term. And that will be 20 minus 3 times 10, negative 10. Right, so this is for the first, this is for the last.